Hey everybody, Jimmy here. Welcome back to the channel. So it's Thursday, it's the natural gas report. Super exciting. 1 hour after the market opens, we get the natural gas report. We're gonna get a big push up in /NG, or we're gonna get a big drop to the downside. So I captured the whole thing live on video. It's a little comical. I'm gonna play it for you in a moment, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I was setting up to place my bracket orders for the bracket order strategy that I presented in my video last week. You can go back and check that out if you don't know what I'm talking about. But I break it all down there. So this morning I'll show you that, and then after the live clip, stay tuned because I'm gonna give you my thoughts as to what I screwed up, what I didn't screw up, what do I think about next week, and would I play it any different? So with that, sit back, enjoy, and let me know what you think. Comment below. Okay, I've got the live trade going here. We've got about 3 minutes, maybe 2.5 minutes to go. And I've got my brackets set up, and I'm just gonna see what happens. Trying to look for a logical spot to place this. Flipping around time frames just to take a look here. I might go 17, maybe 18. It's going to be tough to get both placed at the same time, so we'll see here. We got less than a minute. Maybe I'll just go 20. I might go 20 on this one. Oh, okay. Well, that did not work at all. There you, there you have it. I should have placed it. Oh, wow. That was unbelievable. Well, I completely missed it. Dang it. Okay, so I think I got to modify things. I think whatever the highs are around the way, that was so fast though. Wow. Oh, that's too bad. Oh my gosh, we'd have been in and out already with a 50-cent target. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you for watching. Sorry that I missed it. That was a flash and it was gone. Wow, I completely missed that. So instead of trying to place it down here, I should have placed it right above. I should have just gone at the highs. 13.24, and then 50 cents would have been 74 right here, but I likely would have had some slippage, so it would have been a good trade. It would have worked. I apologize profusely. That was terrible. So I was trying to get things set up, just to kind of recap it. I was trying to figure out where to place the order so that when the natural gas report came out, I would have that order set, but there was so much bouncing around right beforehand that I didn't want to get triggered in too early. So I think it was just trying to place the order too tight. I should have just placed it above the highs. As you could see, those candles that had just set a recent closest high, I should have gone above those and then just left it. But as you can see, it was such an explosive move, it would have been amazing. I had put an 8-cent stop on it, and I believe it was 625 shares I was gonna buy. I was wanting to risk $50 and then hopefully make just a little bit over $300 with the push to the 50-cent target. So the other complicating factor is placing that order with some of that volatility that was present would have been kind of hard for placing both UGAZ and DGAZ if the price action leading up to it would have been a little slower, which, you know, at that time there's a lot of volatility and a lot of interest, so that may never happen. But I think if I go well above the high on both UGAZ and DGAZ, maybe that will give me enough leeway or room so that in the last probably 40 seconds before the report comes out, I'll be able to place both orders. So I completely owe you guys one. I am so sorry that that was such a disaster. It would have been a gorgeous trade. I know there would have been slippage. I'm curious to see how much slippage there would have been. So I'm gonna transplant this week's idea to next week for you guys. I owe you one. I'm gonna trade it next Thursday, and I'm definitely gonna catch it even if I have to get in a little bit earlier. I want to risk $50 on each of them, UGAZ and DGAZ, and the one that blows up, I want that to be the profit, and the other one I want to cancel out real quick. So I'm going to try to make it work next week. I am so sorry that that didn't go well this time. I was just being too careful with it, and it gave me no notice whatsoever. That thing was like a rocket. So I hope somebody caught that. If you traded it, let me know. I'd love to hear about your experience with it. I'd also like to know if you put your stop limit order to go long, if you put it over the highs or if you just set it close and let it go. Like maybe you got triggered in a little bit early on UGAZ, or inversely on DGAZ and then had it hit your stop and you lost. So yeah, a lot to think about on that one. I'm going to go through, review it a little bit more, try to refine the plan, and then as I come up with a better way of doing things, I'll obviously share that with you guys. So I appreciate your patience. Thank you for stopping by the channel today. If you have questions, let me know. That was quite a move. So stop by again tomorrow. We'll be back at it. I'll see you in the morning. Thanks.